the why cloud computing is important to our uh, research as well as from nowadays scenario, because if you are seeing that we are going on the mobile side. Okay, previously you are seeing that they have three different generations. If I divide it in three different category from generalizations from different factor, from desktop to laptop to tab, and tab to nowadays we are going on the mostly things comes in the phones, and as well as your in your hand is the we are called in the watch. Okay, so they are synchronization with your phone means nowadays very popular from the phone. In the phones there are a lot of apps are there, so everything are connected by the synchronized by the internet of things if supposed to be. So these things now if you are seeing that year by year, then they develop think now. Okay, so a lot of things are connected. If you supposed to be we are supposed to be seeing that from this figure, these figures of devices with the ears, then you are seeing that a lot of things are changing simultaneously year by year. I'm supposed to be we are taking from 2020, and now we are in 2021 and 2022 is I'm going on. Okay, so everything is connected the internet of things, and internet of things is usually we are use them for every day by day in your life. Supposed to be the most important factor is previously last 3 years. If you not last 3 years, we are supposed to be last 2.5 years. You are seeing that health sector also coming from the IoT devices. Okay, the lot of things comes in your hand. So how we are say these thing comes under the in your hand, there are a lot of behind that there are a lot of challenges simultaneously comes, and these challenges we try to be remove that, and we try to be if you are supposed to be, if we are in computer engineer, so we can say this is the troubleshoot, how we are solve this troubleshoot with the help of there are a lot of factors. If you are supposed to be in the behind that supposed to be the software, it's supposed to be the hardware, supposed to be some other things are there. Sometimes they are synchronized with the hardware with the software, because we are trying to be communicate with the machine to machine and machine to human being. So how we are interact them, this is the most important challenges nowadays we are facing that. Okay, not facing that, how we are easiest manner to be presenting from the end users, because we are computer, we are engineers, we simply say we are engineer, and the engineers uh, I think supposed to be don't have any issues regarding these things, but it's supposed to be if you some other people who don't know anything about these features, these functionality, but they are how we are easily to be utilize these applications, apps, and these things is easiest manner. So this is the important things. And if supposed to be how, because everything travel from the cloud, and the cloud will synchronize the information from one directional to another directional. Supposed to be we are unique multi-dimensional we are use them. Okay, so supposed to be the machine how we are widely connected, and how we are travel the information the air, and then how we are reaching these cloud services, and then we are clustering the information, and these things are if you mind and seeing that, then you have to find a lot of things are synchronized with the a lot of things. But this is the back end. In the front end we are seeing that only for the simple app, you open that app and you can use the facility and just close it, and then everything will be synchronized, and they are store the information in the particular manner. Okay, but if you are seeing that the background, if you are seeing the back end, then you have to realize that the lot of challenges is going on, a lot of challenges we are facing that. Okay, so this is the internet of things are we supposed to be simplest example. Okay, now if one more example is there, if you are seeing that everything is connected to the everything. Okay, supposed to be this is the zigzag diagram. The zigzag diagram is supposed to be connected. Different fields are different things. Okay, now everything autonomous, just like auto services are there, healthcare services are there, uh, they have gas generations, petroleums, and everything are connected to the things, and these things are connected only for one thing. 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, how we are connected to the machine learning, because if you are going the uh, deeper, or maybe the bright area, then we can cloud, and then we can go inside, then you are seeing that the fog and the edges are coming, that in the edges are connected to the edges are connected to the machine.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, I
Yes,
think your slides are not getting changed. Are you changing the slides?
now it's changing, it's moving.
No, still there is no change in your slides.
I think supposed to be.
Yeah, now
uh,
it's changing. Yes, now it's
I
changing.
think that there are some issues is there. Okay, now it's okay.
Right. Yes, it's fine.
Now this is comfortable. I think I just
Yes, yes, it's fine now.
Yes,
I
yes,
just little
yes,
bit more.
yes.
Now is okay. I think supposed to be. Okay, so these things are connected day by day. If you are seeing that a lot of things are connected simultaneously, so this is the zigzag diagram. Okay, in the zigzag diagram, they have, we are simply say this is the nodes. Right now we are node. We are not a if you supposed to be, if you are interact to the system, and systems are giving some information to deliver from particular direction to the particular direction, this is called as a nodes, and the nodes are communicated, and these nodes are to be, now there are a lot of, if you are divided, if you seeing that category 5 generations, if you seeing that the mobile generation, then mobile generation they have, we are going on the LTE. In the soons we are seeing that LTE advanced comes, then LTE advanced pro, then 5G comes in India. Okay, so if you divide it in the same scenario, LTE, in the LTE lot of things are there in the behind that, the things nodes divided in different category. SDM is there, so software defined network, as the other, they have a lot of, it's supposed to be a lot of edges are there. Era, we simply say era, simple era is there. So one era is, we can call is the software defined network, and another era will say with the hardware supporting software or hardware, we can say, and sometime we are interconnected both of them, then we have to be called to be say machine to machine we are communicated, and these machine to machine are connected simplest manner to the node devices. These node devices is also communicated with further node devices, and further node devices they have to be communicated, maybe the unidirectional or maybe in the multi-directional. Okay, so they have a lot of things are there behind that things. Okay, a lot of protocols are there simultaneously work to be executed your information, executed your program, executed your database. So these things are called, simplest manner is called as a simple is a machine to machine communication. Okay, or maybe the simplest manner if you say app to app communication, and maybe different era are communicated with different eras. Okay, so we are started with the most important uh, introductions with the simplest manner, we can say. uh, uh, One definitions comes. Okay, so these definitions is, say this is the powerful technology. These powerful technology they have to be, you are using in your daily life. Okay, simplest manner we are simply say these supposed to be, we divided in different categories, and these different categories are connected to the individual, or maybe the groups, or these groups or individual information to travel from the simplest manner to say this is the information will in the life you are using, the things have to be connected, and these connected devices to the uh, simplest, we simply say in the simplest manner we are say the things can also be transfer data utilizations in the terms of, we are say industrial IoT. Okay, technology, and can be utilized the creative of ubicom. The ubicom we simply say ubicom we can say uh, executed from the information from your higher bandwidth with the help of lowest latency. Okay, simultaneously they have to be managed from secure consent from the end user sides, as well as we simply say energy consumptions is less. Energy consumption in terms of battery, we are seeing that of your uh, in the seeing the example of computer or mobile devices. Okay, so we have simplest ubicom or ubts system is just like a this diagram, to be maybe you are more understand to be how we are existing software, existing things are connected. Okay, we are saying that existing or being everywhere at the same time. Okay, so right now you are check all the informations from the or you have to say all the things comes under in your pocket. Okay, so simplest manner or easiest manner we can say we are encountered or wisely to use the different topology, and this topology we are adopt them with the help of the cloud computing. Okay, so cloud computing in the terms of two category we say fog computing, as well as we are say the edge computing. Okay, so fog computing we are going on that side, as well as the edge computing. If you are seeing that this figure, then you have to be identified with the edges are connected, they have to be interconnected by the one person. Okay, so these person have to be communicated all the information the whole the world. Okay, so these better utilize the terms, betterize the terms in is supposed to be in research perspective we can call is the throughput. We can get the throughput, as well as we have to be get the uh, using the less energy consumption from the industrial fog network. Okay, so this is simplest manner we create the fog, and these fog are we are saying that this is the fogs from the industrial side. Okay, industrial create the fogs, and these fog we have to be uh, using the help of a deep enforcement learning. Okay, these deep enforcement learning to optimize overall system reward, as well as the reduce the energy consumptions. Why we are using the energy consumption? Because we require more battery power. Okay, if you are use more battery power, then you have to be get the better result outcome. Okay, better result outcome means we supposed to be we have to be identify that topologies or methodology you can use the more things. Okay, so this is the simplest manner. So we have to be divided. If you say ubiquitous computing is the method of instant computing by making many devices. The devices we terms in here we are saying then the services available throughout the physical environment, but making them the effectively individual from the user. Okay, so here supposed to be they have two things or two terms we have to use them. Services, the services is just like for we are using the services in the mobile service, because and nowadays if you are seeing that rapid growth of the mobile topology, as well as and the data network. Okay, increase between the human or between the devices. Which devices? First of all we have to say this is the IoT devices. Okay, so these communication can be from the some task or maybe some delay sensitive. Okay, how delay sensitive? If you supposed to be, if you are seeing that of you, if one example is there, if you are using the phone pay, okay, or you have to transfer the some amount from the one account to maybe the one phone number to another phone number, so that time we required some unique the some things is there, some steps are there, and then they have device, they have to be interconnected time, they have to take some delay. Delay is in terms of nano milliseconds, is supposed to be you can't visible, but sometimes sometimes it's taking more time. Okay, sometimes is very less time period, they will done it, everything is done properly manner. Okay, sometimes he will take more time. Okay, so in between there have to be some delay in the terms of we are using lot of things in between once we are doing the transfer the information, because we are connected to the logical database that time period. If you are seeing that logical database means in the night time in the foreign countries, in the light in the night 12:45 to 1:45, or maybe the 12:45 to 1 in between, they have to be maintain your databases, they upgrade your database, whatever transaction they will done it all day, they create the logical database or maybe the temporary databases. These temporary databases they use in the night time maintenance time period, they have to be converted the time period, these database in the physical databases they converted that time period. If you supposed to be, if you seeing that if you use the phone pay, but you can't sing that time period, because everything is the properly handle it, just like supposed to be you are transfer information or transfer your amount that time period, everything is synchronized by the just like a simplest manner. Okay, amount will detected, amount will edited, everything message will generated, everything comes from the machine. Okay, you can't imagine that time period the database is just like a create as a logical devices. Okay, but if you supposed to be in the one time period, maybe the machine he will be upgrade himself. Okay, so that time period they have to be utilize this effectively, manually, and converted these things. Okay, so that time period these resources are hide the topologies. Okay, you just seeing that all the cloud facilities, the data transfer, latencies, and these things never be seeing that you are seeing the delay, they have to scroll is just going on the buffer mode. Okay, so they have rotated, but these things simultaneously will be generated. Okay, so these things have to become, if supposed to be they have characteristics of your ubiquitous system, this method you have to be identified to be enhance the topologies, and then individually we have to be created. Okay, so this is the terms are we are using, they have some characteristics as a to be identified from the systems is there. Okay, supposed to be we have to be go the goals, why we'll be motivated these type of facility, because if you are seeing that now the things will comes under the lot of goals there, design goal, engineering goal, experimentation goals are there, achieved by the user theory engineers. Okay, so ubiquitous systems we have to be, this is the last year we are coming in the market, and these market will simultaneously to be nowadays very popular in terms of they have utilized the term, because we have to be taking the whole the hardware equipment is the efficiently manner to utilize the things. Okay, so we are supposed to be simplest manner comes in the terms of first things we can say for computing. Okay, because if you supposed to be divided in different terms, we have to be say cloud computing. This is the my room is right now is empty room. Okay, now I want to check something, so first terms we comes in the fog computing. Okay, so fog computing we can say distributed computing. This distributed computing are the using the intermediate. Okay, just like I am right now, you are in your end users, we don't know anything about, I don't know how many peoples are connected there, I don't know how many peoples are the names are there, but right now we are I'm distributing, I'm speaking something, my information will be distributed in end users. Okay, so they have some in between, they have some mediator there. Okay, the same thing here, you require the big things, but you don't have the physically infrastructure that time period. I'm required something, but I don't have physical infrastructure. Okay, supposed to be one more example is there, everyone use from cloud, from your phone also. If supposed to be the physical hard disk devices or physical storage are completed, then after you have to be supposed to be, if you supposed to be, if you are connected to the existing or maybe requirement hard disk or maybe the things, then we are we are a lot of companies is right now they were providing from the cloud services. Cloud services means cloud hardware in the front of your phone. Okay, no required, you just go to the internet. If you have internet facility, you direct transfer your information to the particular space. They will provide you some space, but space as a physically is not available, logically will available in your phone. Okay, so these how we are connected, and the second important thing, how we are secure the things, because security also most important, because they have privacy and security simultaneously going process. Okay, so these things by the help of a fog computing. Okay, so fog computing, we provide the cloud data center and IoT devices. Okay, so devices in terms of they have a lot of devices are, you are seeing that the sensors also, though a lot of sensors are there, tagging sensor, there a lot of things are there. Supposed to be, if you are seeing that you are using the metro cards, they are using the lot of things you are using in your daily life, your tagging devices, and a lot of things are there. So these things, how we are interconnected to the in your end users, how we are easiest manner, because if the end users don't know anything about anything from the things, they have to use them this facility and they create the things. Okay, easiest manner. So how these things have to become, your mind comes by the help of a fog computing. Okay, is supposed to be, and right now we are networking and the storage facility, so that the cloud based services can be accessed to closer to the IoT devices. Okay, so networking is networking, how the terms of supposed to be your billing cycle, how we are coming to the your, if you are using, if you are seeing that the your per day net data speeds, per day data, how much you are using the internet things, how we are detecting these things. There are a lot of things are there, a lot of buffer are there, a lot of things are there, lot of buffering algorithm is going on, a lot of simultaneously parallel algorithm is going on distributed manner, because now we are now, if you are seeing that everything is the distributed manner, previously we are using the centralized topology and things are there, but nowadays is everything is connected to the distributed manner. How we are connected, then the things are, this is the most important things nowadays. We are seeing that first time 2011 we are extended cloud computing with the fog computing, and these order to copy with the high number of IoT devices and big data volumes to real time and low latency applications. Okay, so first in 2011 we are coming that, and then we are a lot of IoT devices and the big data volume comes from the real time applications comes, and these applications we are deeply IoT application and things will be simultaneously we do it. Okay, so these facility will come that, and we utilize the things. Okay, so we are to become first time they have Cisco introduced their 12 2012, and then they have a lot of application and challenges are comes from the IoT in the these this cloud computing, and these cloud computing we have to be challenges we can resolve them. And after 2015 they have a lot of things comes 15 is the Cisco system, ARM Holding, Dell, Intel, Microsoft, and then other there are a lot of end user companies are there. Open fog consultant promoted by interesting for development for fog computing. There's the some introduction part is there. So if you think that typically to the cloud devices, then we have to be say the fog computing environment is the traditional networking components. These components is supposed to be, this is the communications of router and switch, and these switch are connected set-up boxes, proxy servers, base stations, etc., and can be placed in the closer and approximately for IT devices in the if you see that the figure, they have to be three different layers are there. It's supposed to be layer one, we simply say this is your cloud layers. Cloud layer means your main databases where their data center storage. Okay, so the problem comes previously because they are centralized data storage that are there, so they are facing a lot of issues is simultaneously. So these resources we have to be remove and centralize, remove the things, and then they have distributed manner, because distributed things will be parallelly you have to be because the most important task, one cloud come, how will retrieve the information, this is the most important task coming simultaneously parallelly come, because have to be some happened will be happened in the in your data side at that time period, the simultaneously Simultaneously they have to be the information to retrieve them, because information storage is the not a big task. This is the simplest manner to be store the information store after the getting the information is the big task. If you think that the spaces is available, you just create your folder and you store your information. Sometimes you have to use your own password, and then the password then they open the information. But the not a big this is not a big task. If you so think that this is the easiest manner to store the information, the task is come behind that, how we all retrieve the information. Supposed to be the Google is nowadays is day by day they have to be enhanced a lot of things in this, just like your email. If you think that information retrieval means whatever your information type is the first letter, then whole statement will come accordingly your judgment. It's the same thing here. This is the some one example is there, the same thing how we are information retrieve them. Okay, so this is the challenges we are facing that time period. So this is the cloud computing centers are there. They have to be we have to say different servers are there. Cloud application server, data servers are there, application data centers are there, cloud services optimization operational centers are there. Or they have to be, if you say simplest manner, you have to be combined these things. Okay, if you go in the cloud fog layer, in the fog layer, this is the connected to the supposed to be, they have router, they have to connect it, they have to be interconnected to the router, to the distributed the information. The router will transfer the information to the switches, and the switches are distributed the information. Okay, and the same thing here. They have different, if you are using the broadband, if you are using the wireless, if you are using the mobile internet, if you are using the LTE, if you are using the BGS, if you are using the BTSB, there are a lot of things come under the fog computing. Okay, you can't think that they have to becomes behind, and then they have to be interconnected. They have to be connected. Is supposed to be, we say this is the edges as computing. Okay, this edge computing with the device layer. Okay, devices, they have produced the information, and these produce the information, we have to be store the information in the cloud side. Okay, so this is the simplest example to be understanding about the cloud based services.
Hello.
Then we have to think that next we have to say IoT, fog and cloud. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can you put your slide in the slide view so that it will look larger, please?
I am trying, but they have not moving. I think supposed to be. Now is okay. Can you check this moving? My slide will
Uh,
move.
This is a normal view of slide.
Hmm.
Please put in the slide view, if possible.
Okay.
It will be of no,
Just.
no,
Sir, just
no, sorry.
go to slideshow view. Sir, please go to slideshow view.
Okay.
Just press
Slideshow.
F5, sir.
Yeah. From
This one from
yeah.
current.
From current slide. Yes. And
Can you now is okay?
stop presentation. Share it again with share with my share with window. Stop this presentation. At
No, sir. It is the right below corner, sir. Right below corner.
Stop presenting, sir.
Beside,
Just stop presenting from Google Meet. Stop presenting from Google Meet. Okay, and try to present again with entire screen. Present entire screen.
Now is okay.
Yeah, and go to that. Yeah, just from current slide. Start from current slide. Yes.
that is.
Yeah.
Now
It's
is
visible.
moving.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yeah.
No.
Yes, sir, it's fine, sir.
Yeah. It's fine, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the if you're supposed to be more isolate, or maybe to be check the things in the different era. This is taking from the source also be there. So we divided in the uh, less to more and more to less. Okay, so they have IoT devices, and these IoT devices, everyone know that how we are reliably are connected, and we providing the more things. Just like if you go for IoT to the more maybe the cloud side, then we have to be required these things: reliable connectivity, computational power, low longevity, data storage, reliability, and latency. Okay, so these things we required if supposed to be. This is the things we have to be: mobile support, responsibility, interactivity, delay, and devices. Okay, so these they have some parameters to be have to be more conscious to be identified if supposed to be the first type. Maybe the primary level. Okay, and they have a lot of authors, or maybe the researchers doing work simultaneously, and they have to find the things are there. Okay, supposed to be if you divide it in the three different parameters, if you things will be divided. First is the edge computing, the second thing is mobile edge computing, and the third one is the mobile cloud computing. Okay, they have my student, or maybe we are my working group is working on that field. We have to be divided the same figure. If you seeing that this is the figure, this figure we divided in the different terms, different topologies, different parameters, to be more understanding about the from the hardware, or maybe to the IoT devices to the cloud devices. Okay, previously if you seeing that they have three terms are there: IoT devices are there, fog computings are there, and cloud computings are there. Okay, so in between they have we created some more layers to be understanding how we are working on that, and working of things will be covering to the until my final destinations. Okay, so we divided, we just taking the informations from the end users to the services from the supposed to be we have to be divided, and supposed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different stages. These stages are simultaneously uh, sending the information to the cloud side. Okay, some places we are storing the information, sometime we can't be information to store that. Okay, so if supposed to be we going to the top to bottom, then we are seeing that the mobile edge computing. Okay, mobile edge computing, we are supposed to be we are using the edge services. These edge services are connected to the simplest manner to take the information from the users, and then this information will be transferred to the uh, one-sided to the simplest manner. We have to be just like a previously we are using the base station. This base station information will be delivered there. Okay, uh, second steps, we are simplest manner we can say mobile cloud computing. This mobile cloud computing, uh, they have whatever information will come, this information will be distributed to the cloud data centers. Okay, they have end users, they have information will be simplest manner we have to use on TCP. TCP, we can say information will store or maybe communicated, then information come back to the mobile computing, cloud computing. Okay, these things if you seeing that on your desktop, once you are maybe the phone, if you are storing the information in the cloud type, maybe if you are creating the just like a folder, or maybe if you are storing the something, if you visualize things in the front of your whatever the cloud services, you can use them if you are seeing that time period. Okay, maybe the folder and subfolders, and maybe if you are the information will store simultaneously, they are visible in the front of your IoT devices, okay, or maybe the app side, okay. So this is the terms in the we simplest manner we'll say, okay. Third terms we can say as computing. As computing, we are saying that we don't know anything about the anything cloud sided. Just wait, I just some sound is coming. These edge computing, we directly communicated only from the uh, before the end devices, okay. We are taking the information from the user side or maybe the application side, and this information will travel only from the internal hardware devices time, okay. So that time period, how we are interact with the application to the before the cloud service side, okay. In between, how they are connected information, how we are travel the information, how we are networking do it that time period, which sensor or which mechanism we can use them, which terms we topology we can use them, which supposed to be cryptography simplest manner. If you seeing that more simplest manner, a cryptography technique, which cryptography mechanism we can utilize, and these utilized terms we can to be store the information. Storage means we travel the information by the lowest path, okay, or lowest path in the shortest path. How we are find the shortest path information, my information will travel fully means no error will be found that time period, then we are transfer the informations, no unwanted information will travel, just like supposed to be noise, other thing can't be travel, okay. So we these information how we can stop them in the these stages we cover them, okay. Now next stage is my fog computing, okay. As computing we are connected to the edges, then after we have to comes in the fog computing. This fog computing information comes travel from my internal hardware as well as my external hardware, okay. They interconnected, now they have to be mutual communicated each other, means machine to machine communicated, then after we comes in the my data will travel in the core network, okay. Core network, everyone know the mechanism, we have to be converted my information in something, okay. Then after we have to be, once we travel, information will come converted with the mechanism of cryptography, then encoding and decoding, whatever encoding will done it there, when we which topology, they have lot of things are there, lot of mechanisms are there, encoding mechanism, how we are, they have shift, they have lot of algorithms are there. That time period we seeing that how much data is there, how big data is there, and how we are transfer the information. This is the already pre-plan mechanism apply in your hardware devices. Hardware devices, we seeing that how we are travel the information, how we converted, how we are deconverted, which key we can use them. Simplest example, we use RS, we have to apply, then we have to be decoding again the information, then one means decoding information and data will be storage there, okay. We seeing only for these steps. Cloud computing, they have as networking and the cloud data center, okay. In between they have the information will travel only, okay. No anything else you can't see, that you just using your phone, using your desktop, using your tab, using your phone, and you have to be seeing that directly these services. But in between these stages also be to be seeing that if you have the end users, okay. Particular users seeing only for this application to this application, and these things in between they have to be comes, okay. So how we are taxonomy requirement from this capacity, how we are saying that this is the requirement of this is the requirement, okay. So we have to become on the taxonomy. In taxonomy we have to be converted in three different terms, okay. We different three different categories is supposed to be we have to say infrastructure required, there have to be platform, then we have to be applications. Okay, so here supposed to be we have to be right here for computing taxonomy. This taxonomy we requirement infrastructure, we required application, sorry, we required platforms. Okay, so three things once we are converted in terms created by the fog computing topology. Okay, so if you come, I can't go deeper because this is the related work. So I just simplest manner some infrastructure requirement, some network requirement, some fog devices requirement. So these category we have to divide it. Okay, I share this presentation so you can see that these things. Okay, so I'm just going here infrastructure requirement, which type of infrastructure we require, this type of network requirement, this type of fog computing. The fog computing, there are a lot of things, IoT devices, fog processing devices, fog gateway, because we require the gateway devices, how we are passing the gateway, how we are subrouting, subnetting have to be done it there, of your topologies and mechanism, we can use them. Then after we can go the application side, then application side we have to go application requirement, user
स्क्रीनशॉट
requirement
लेने
and
आता है
mobility.
स्क्रीनशॉट प्लीज
So these
प्रोग्राम
things,
का भी है रिजल्ट
so these things have to become from how we are application requirement, user requirement, and then modeling we can done it, because this is also very important, how we are simulation and modeling you can done it then application side. Okay, if you have platform, they have a lot of platform devices are there, resource allocation and scheduling algorithms, service requirement, security and privacy, multi-tenancy and management, these things comes there. Okay, so if you divide one by one, we say infrastructure. In infrastructure, they have two categories are there. First is the infrastructure requirement, and second thing we can say device requirement or network requirement. Okay, supposed to be if
Sir,
you have
sir, can you please show the previous slide, please?
this one.
Yeah.
Anything you can ask from this slide? Can I start? Hello, I am audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Sorry to interrupt. Now it's clear. Yeah. You can please go ahead.
Okay, they have two things are there. The first is the infrastructure requirement, and second thing is the network requirement. Okay, so this infrastructure requirement, again we have to divide in three. We simply say they have not three different steps. If you are follow these three steps, maybe the helpful from once you are creating the things. Okay, so they have many connecting tiny devices and they have to be connected in the primary elements. Okay, so infrastructure, the proper infrastructure facility or needed for supported while computing environment. Okay, capacity and the providing the physical resources, computing network storage and the memory for effective for computing services. Okay, the second terms we have to say network requirement. So network requirement, we have to simply say fog devices have to be identified for your neighbors, and these neighbors primary applications for things will have to be connected. Okay, so each fog devices have to reliable or maybe the silently connectivity with the lower upper layer devices, because if you think that they have connected to the mobile Hadoop network as well as this mobile Hadoop network, we require the MAC layer, maybe the networking layer, how we are connected there. These things are very basically very important things. Our topology or mechanism is there. So mobiles have to work with the lowest cost features. Okay, so these things will be connected from the mobility or things simplest manner we divided in the four networking layers. We have to be connected to the network layer devices. Okay, so we divided in IoT devices, fog devices, they have a lot of terms are there. If you think that IoT devices, sensors are there, the other things are there. There are a lot of things are there to be connected to the lot of things. Okay, so multi-tenant management is already connected. I just isolated there. So we have to be connected. Next comes the platform. We say applications. application reliable, heterogeneous, smart gateway, interconnected devices are there, and as well as the mobility is there. Okay, so these mobility are user requirement are there, and the application model streams are there. Okay, user requirement, deadline, budget, and how much response time this there. The stream based and micro services are there. If you supposed to be platform devices, then we divided in three categories: resource allocation, scheme, service requirements, security and privacy. In between, you have to be these things will be required. Different quality of services are there. Okay, so they have a taxonomy are there from folk computing, and these things we have to be completed there. Okay, so now we have to be come back again from the security perspective from heterogeneous. I just give little bit some devices are there who's working from the from ubiquitous system, Ubicom system, then we can grow. That they have things that are there. If you see that now we are coming everything with the virtual VR, virtual reality we are using right now. After maybe then COVID started, they have everything is very important for virtualize. Okay, so this is a UC versus virtualize things. Okay, virtual reality and ubiquitous systems. Okay, previously they have to be virtual reality required something there. Okay, everything will be sent it here, then they will be distributed information. But in the ubiquitous system, the main difference, whatever information you think that they have to be distributed. Okay, you have response one places, now they have using for distributed manner. Okay, this is the most important task to the computer versus the real world applications. Okay, so this is UC versus AI. UC and AI right now, everyone using that localization, temperature, light, and everything is come under the AI. Okay, and these AI we are using that, and these AI we can different topology or different mechanisms there, and these mechanism we can subnet, we can use them. Okay, I'm not going to the deeper from the, I just explaining little bit about the user agent. Everyone know the what is the user agent is a software agent. This is the behave as a user, and this we simply say work as a themselves, and these themselves application have to be connected. Actions have to be themselves, and accordingly they have to be response, reactions, and the comments to the devices. Okay, they have pad, tab, and live boot is there. Three devices are there. Okay, so if you see that ubiquitous system, this the first example or first figure, if you are saying that they have to be three or maybe the four terms are there. Okay, mainframe, first of all, many people share a desktop or a computer. If you say personal computer, one computer, one person. Okay, right now. Previously, they have to come the history of the previous. If you have internet, then the internet and the distributed computing. Okay, internet, everyone know that before they have to be send the information to the dummy desktop, and then they have to be distributed the information to the overall the world. Okay, this is the thing. But if you think that ubiquitous computing, this is the computing, many computers share each other of us. Okay, we have to travel the information to the distributed manner. Okay, we have to use all the financial transactions. If you are seeing that all the information to the group chatting, WhatsApp things you have to doing from the Facebook Messenger. If you are using that, the groups, they have a lot of chatting apps is there. The simple examples. These things have to be distributed manually. They have to using for ubiquitous computing to be distributed the information. Okay, so we have to be things are there. Four type of ubiquitous system to be aware of: locations, they have awareness, activity, they have identity, and the times. Okay, so we have to be things. These things will be simultaneously have to be cover that. to the ubiquitous system. So this is the, if you see that three different directions of the figure, awareness of the things are there, protections, individual and adaptations. Okay, so they have to be ubiquitous system, ubiquity, natural interactions, and they have product proactivity. Okay, so they have simultaneously each other. The mobiles and things are network infrastructures comes for ubiquity. Then interactions is multi-modules, machines proactive, individually controlled, and as well the proactive is context awareness. These awareness have to be actually detect the behavior or model for need predictions. Okay, so we required the things are interconnected once we are going from the going to the ubiquitous system side. Okay, so they have a lot of topologies are there. Zipper, SVWM, cleanings are there. So this is not a things to be cover them, but implementation is things are three things is there. First of all, application, smart environment, and self-organized application enhance. These enhanced application have to be go from our final strength planning, how we are the plan to the executed. Then after you create the goals, and then you have to be, after creating the goals, you have to find the analysis of the things. Okay, so if you supposed to be user need may be quite valid, and the smart environment devices must cooperate with each other as a unison. Okay, so these additional environmental terms are using, and these terms we have to be topology, maybe such user challenges have to become that. Okay, so real time environmental, so supposed to be we have to use then dynamic system. This dynamic system have to be identify user needed and met the even the challenges of real time. So these real time applications or challenges we can face them and we remove that. Okay, so how ubiquitous computing works. Okay, supposed to be if you divide it in terms of sensor and the services. Okay, so in between we have to be go to the sensors. They have sensed the information, then after the information go from the gateway, then they have traveled the information to the internet. This internet have to be taking the all the infrastructure platform information will capture. Then after capturing the information goes to the application side. Then after they have come back to the use the services. Okay, so they have a lot of services are there, different services. These services we can use to be find the different services are using that. Okay, so how we are using that services? They have interaction, how we are interact to the smart devices. First of all, we identify the challenges. Then after identify the challenges, then we can go how we are resolve the issues with these challenges. So the data from the sensor and handling devices for to the all the analysis patterns, and these patterns help provide the operation for smart application, the productive make challenges for environmental. Supposed to be they have two things are there. If you have mobile devices to the sensor devices or device interactions. Okay, supposed to be if you divide it to the mobile devices, then we have sent the message to the mobiles interface to be reduced, to be the load information to be deliver the information will have to be taking that. So this section will the help of this event to be reduce them. Okay, so these challenges we have to be try to be reducing as soon as lowest as possible. Okay, so these challenges everyone know that privacy, security, information management, scalable, mobility, network reliable, interprotection, probability, and the resource discovery. Okay, so these challenges right now we are facing that, and we try to be reduce as lowest as possible. But till now, the challenges is that previously is the challenges there, till now challenges there, but we try to reduce as possible as lowest. Okay, so requirement, this is the requirement: SAM qualifications of optimization, SAM organization, SAM protection, SAM self-repair, SAM teaching. Okay, so these things will be requirement to be once we devices to be make them, or we will create them, or maybe utilize. So these devices requirement itself to be optimize the things, configure the things, organize properly, protect properly. So these things we can try to be give them, and taking them the facilities as lowest as features. Okay, so it must also be able to prepare the future situations also with it. Right now we are facing this problem, and simultaneously we have to be reduce to be these applications or is probability. Okay, so application services for services availability, transparency, smartness, awareness, and trustworthiness. Okay, so these things also required to be once we are using any, and supposed to be any end user, supposed to be home IoT. Okay, smart homes things are there, so they have to be providing the things to be in the front of end users. They have to be identified then easiest manner, and then simultaneously they utilize the maximum utility. Okay, so this is the one example. If you seeing that they have smart real-time location system, or maybe the UBI. This is the simple IoT device, Ubicom system. They have one example is there. A lot of things are there. So they have to be a real-time location system. They have to identify. If you think that in the mobile, in the applications of in the Apple Mac, they have to be a location of tracking of your phone, where is right now is located. Okay, so they have a lot of examples are there. After they have to be identified, simultaneously they have to be protect, and then they will be give the best outcomes once you require that. Okay, so this is my first part to complete it. The first part to be taking the simple definitions of Ubicom system. Simultaneously, I will take them of fog computing. I will explaining about how we are seeing the challenges, and then after we are seeing that lot of things, application challenges, which thing we required. Simple, some example are seeing that from the to be identify different terms. Okay, now we are going next part. The next part is the task offloading decision supporting the fog-based ubiquitous system for individual applications. Okay. So these applications have to be identify industry examples, and this example to be explaining here. And this is work last year published in my research article also. Okay, so we can discuss that. Maybe you have better understanding. They have some indexings are there. So this one is already covered, that ubiquitous systems, these communications by the some task of many delay sensitive communications, individually smart cars, cameras, laptops, sensors, smartphones, individually objectives, the delay, and a lot of things are there to be understanding the things. Okay, and these cloud services are there. How we are cloud services are to be physically distribution from the IoT devices and providing the latency, how we are data transfer. Other things are there, how computing fog devices create Cisco reference cloud computing end user devices, and the end facility for storage and network services between the device and the cloud computing data centers. Okay, now we are going from the edge computing new para refer to platform to processing the data produced by the sensor closer to whatever is created. It is the creation of opportunity to help the ubiquitous applications of massive amount of actions intelligent closer to the source of data. Okay, so this is the most important terms is here. It is creates sorry, is creates and the help of Ubicom system to terms of massive amount of data into the actionable intelligence closer to the source of data. Okay, so this is the terms physically fog devices. The terms will help them to the IoT cloud services and the IoT devices, and these terms faster to reduce the latency and energy consumptions also. Okay, but the fog computing, we simply say this is the hierarchical model, and this model is traditional using the mathematical equations, and the improve many assumptions are there. These assumptions will using the real scenario in the offline computing. In the more challenges we call the network traffic. They have, first of all, the network traffic, user conditions, and mobility in the device are generally dynamic. Okay, because mobility is using for dynamic environmental. Okay, it's not static, is moving unidirectional side, or that time period it will be very difficult to identify the locations, and these terms are there. So we have to use the Markov decision process to the identify. They have one example is there. There are a lot of algorithms are there in the right now in the market, as well as we are using the combining deep informational learning. Okay, and we produce the algorithm. These algorithm have to reduce the latency in the selecting suitable devices for offline tasks and well suitable for industrial IoTs. Okay, how devices are there? So first of all, we divided into different terms. We already used them, but now mathematically we are understanding with the devices. It's supposed to be have the devices is brief devices. They have to be devices. These devices we supposed to be are using the lambda 1. Okay, so this is the example, the task we have to be implement here. Information goes to the as devices we have to be connected, and then we can call a AXID. Okay, simplest terms we can use, and 1 minus x1 bracket of d. Okay, we directly transfer the information here, we sending that information here. If supposed to be bypass the information, then we directly here, otherwise we can information will be delivered here. Okay, then after we can go for fog layer. This fog layer we have to use the fog devices, and then we have to use them AX2D. Same things we have to be used different era. Is supposed to we are using x1 here, then we are using 1 minus xi x1 minus x2 multiply by d. Okay, then we have to store the information, the cloud layer. This cloud layer information to complete the task. Okay, so this is the simplest examples is there. So these examples too have to be motivated. We can't go motivation part, and this is the some related part. We have to be cover that the offline offloading selection process, and this selection process they have to be lot of things are behind, and lot of authors are working on that field right now. They have using the things are there. Traditional scenarios, they have only one users to be there, is the single user generation. Many task optimization is offloading. They have selection process, then one author is proposed that multiple user model, whatever the many users, and all we are providing the task, and task will to be offloading fog as well as the cloud for convocation of the models. Okay, and then simultaneously multiple fog devices, what with the introduce we can parallelly computing task. Okay, so these discussion is there going on simultaneously. They produce and the local computing, and this self remotely computing will be individually we have to be communicated. Okay, they have already done it, and they are going on that. They have some related part are there, the extra related part there. So we enforcement meeting they have using. Why are enforcement learning? Because they have to reduce the energy efficiency algorithms. They have to reduce some author have to use the model for calculating optimal load balancing. This optimal load balancing, they have to be fog model using reinforcement learning. Somewhere are using minimization ideal time for devices. Then they are free adaptive resource allocation concept where some author use them. Okay, some author using for machine learning method for security IOC based, some application resources management accuracy security challenges have to use them. Okay, so we have to be contributed is the part is the help of devices. uh, we have to done it the selecting device provide to be low latency suitability as well as the consumption of less energy. Okay, so we have to produce the industrial algorithms. We have to be combining the different terms. We can go that. Okay, first of all we have to be create the network model. This network model simplest terms we can say this model have to be divided in 4 terms. Okay, supposed to be we create industrial device and sensors. Okay, these industrial device of sensors, they have devices what devices to, because the devices is different environmental. Okay, some information will come from the wireless access, some information come from the local processing devices comes from the, so we have to be converted in different devices are there. They have 9 devices are there. So these devices to the our gateway, because gateway is most important because everything travel the information for IP base. Okay, they have IP information will travel the information to the gateway, and these gateway information to the further fog devices. These fog devices to the task uploading, some devices and someone are using uploading large volume of data.
नहीं होता है और यदि कोई व्यक्ति बार-बार ऐसा कर रहा है तो आपको परेशान कर रहा है, को हैरेस कर रहा है। लेकिन यदि दोनों के संबंध ऐसे है कि नहीं वो अधिकार के साथ आपसे कहता है कि नहीं चलेंगे ही, तो मामला जो है harassment
Then core computing, this core network have to be communicated with the cloud services, and that time maybe they have providing the LT communication and sometimes we have to provide in the
सिस्टम में जो सब
distribution.
माना जाता है जबकि वो
Okay,
मामला जो है
so they have some meanings are there to the devices. If you symbols are using that, so system model we have to be picture. We have to be seeing that creating M fog represent as well as the fog computing, and these computing have to be using the M.
भाग या किस करने का प्रयास करता है। ये सारे मामले ऐसे हैं जिससे हम मानेंगे कि वो फिजिकल जो है सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट है। जैसे
Then you have to be
बुजुर्ग एम्प्लॉय जो है अपने से जो है कम उम्र की जो है महिलाओं को जो है बेटी का संबोधन देते हुए
can possible unmute your mic? I think some
हो
are.
सकता है कि किसी को अच्छा लगे, हो सकता है किसी को खराब लगे।
Hello.
जिसको खराब
Hello.
लगेगा,
Sir, Piyush sir, please unmute yourself.
वो ऐसा चीज
Hello. Piyush sir.
वेलकम कर, वो उसके लिए तैयार, लेकिन जानबूझ के ऐसा व्यवहार कि ऐसे जो है बुजुर्ग एम्प्लॉय जो है जो वास्तव में नहीं किया जाता, तो इसलिए कहा जाता है
Either we can remove or make it.
सीरियल मार के जाए सब्जेक्ट की घटना है इस श्रेणी में रखा। इसके अलावा वक्त हो जाता है जब कोई जो है शब्दों के माध्यम से अन्य माध्यम से कोई ऐसी चीजों को जो है उच्चारण करता है, प्रकट करता है, कोई ऐसा जो डिस्कशन करता है जिसमें जो सेक्सुअल
Okay, we can call him directly so that.
Coordinator, please unmute all.
करता है। ये मामला जो है वर्बल श्रेणी का होगा। यदि जो ऐसा कर
Coordinator, please unmute all participants.
जैसे जो है भाव भंगिमा को दिखाता है जिसमें जो है लैंगिक चीज जो है नहीं है या उससे जो
Okay, I just complete because the themes are there. We have
Yes,
the
no.
frequency cloud and the FF representing from frequency execution. So they have to be identified with the different models to be implementation the things. Okay, as far as we have to be calculating the optimization thing with the probability. Okay, so we have to implementing here. They have to mathematically with the help of probability, and here we have to be get the CPU processor density for n tasks, and as well as we have using the cycle needed processing. the tasking from the calculating the things are there. If you are calculating, then the cases is flowing alpha x y, and 0 is no computing devices assumed with the end task, and 1 is the devices which the connected to the task is there. So they have devices are connected with the local computing. This local computing, this is the formula to calculating the local computing. They have tasks require local processing power and the local computation local IoT device itself. Okay, as well as the task offloading, we have to local distribution process. This distribution process we calculating by this formula, and these already terms we have already mentioned in my previous slides. So if I just share that, if you want to have any issues for mathematical terms, then we refer that the slide we have to be giving the full statements are there. Okay, so the offloading we have to be 3 segments we divided: processing task, uploading task, and then the downloading the task. Okay, so 3 terms are there. So the 3 terms we have to be things we'll be calculating. First of all, uploading the task. And this uploading the task, first of all, we generated I2 devices gateway using the uploading the task suitable for computing, and these for computing we have to taking the consolidate the things. Okay, then after we can go from the bandwidth availability, how much bandwidth we have to be consume the power, then we have to be computational devices are there. Okay, so uploading devices, they have things are there. This is the formula to be calculating the energy consumptions from the further calculations, as well as the energy consent to the different platforms. Okay, next is the processing task. You have to be processing how much delay we have to taking the task we use. Then here we have used the priority based mathematical optimization, or maybe the, if you go for operating system, then you have to be calculating the priority algorithms. Okay, priority algorithms we have to use them and calculating the task is here. Okay, then the last one is the downloading and the resulting, and this downloading task and the resulting part we have to be computing how we are downloading the things in the simplest manner and then calculating the things. Okay, they have using the formulas, these things we use them and then calculate the final values. Okay, then simultaneously we have to be calculating the final task manners. Okay, this task teller we have to complete the total task, how much the task will completed. Sometime not be completed the task to again, so she resend the information to the particular IoT devices gateway to be identify where is the missing or error will calculating. If they have to be find the local communications of the task, and then the final we can delay needed calculations when the cases of remote computing devices, or they have to be things are there. And then after we have to calculating effective delay in the sum of the uploading time from the IoT devices through by the gateway, as well as the processing time from the computing device, and downloading time back to the response IoT devices. These using these formula to calculating the final IoT devices time period will be things are there. Okay, so they have formulations are there. So we have to be minimize the things subject to they have some conditions are there. So they have formalizing not there. There we have to performance calculating their stage action space are there, and finally this is the mathematically algorithms are there, so we can't go there. We have to be calculating the array. Okay, so performance, if you think that supposed to be reward, then the different energy based solutions are there. So these energy solutions are there supposed to be we are using the 3 different tasks. Okay, the tasks have to be used for 4.75 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 7 second but bits, and for local devices, compilation devices, consumption processing is 3.25 into multiply 10 to the power minus 7 j upon bits. Okay, so input data is randomly selected from 10 MB to 30 MB. Output devices size 1 MB to 3 MB. With the help of the conjunction calculation will be received that thing. Okay, so 100 numbers of randomly generated data size. So this data size associate reward per equations as the help of positive and negative. Okay, so we result before the apply the deep reinforcement learning. After we apply the deep reinforcement learning, we have to reward the analysis the best possible value These best offloading devices can be selected by the energy consumption here. Some value will be calculated by the final and then reward the 100 samples. Okay, so we calculated -1, we remove that and we array will taking the positive side, which one is the most suitable, the things are there. Once we are calculating the suitable terms, reinforcement, then we can apply the things. Just like for neural network, they have back propagations and the front propagation algorithms are there. So this back and the front propagation algorithm, we apply that and we calculating the value, and final the outcome will calculate it here. Okay, so they have conclusion is there. So we have to using the deep learning, because deep learning method we are using that, there we are soft computing mechanism also using to the possibility to outcomes from the offline device task for energy and the time in to be using the things, and we have to maximum minimize the implementation of tracer flow by using the enforcement learning mechanism reward. Okay, they have some references, you can use them and you have to be calculated. Okay, so further communications conclusion, we can say that distributions of ubiquitous task will be interfacing. Every task will be taking the natural actions option with the point to click, we have to apply that. Okay, so push and the characterize all the filtration method we can perform it, and we can utilize the terms of traffic conductions are there. Okay, so this is the alternative computer embed environmental things are there. If you seeing that these things will connect it, if you saying that now we have to remove the communication intelligent task is there, we convert it like that. Intelligent chairs is there, intelligent walls is there, and these intelligent walls not require these things, cover that, remove the tasks, and then we calculated that. Okay, so now we just going on, we are working on that these features. So soon we have to create implementation, we are ongoing process, so we have to providing the information best for environmental infrastructure topologies there. Okay, so they have conclusion is there, I think more than enough for my side. And now I stop myself, now you can ask for your query. Last 10 minutes you can ask. Okay, I stop myself, now you can ask them the things are there. And
Participants, you can ask questions.
Sir, thank
Are
you
there
very
any
much. Very
questions?
nice session. Hello. Thank you, sir, for a very nice session. We want to just check the references because the fog computing, as you explained, is there any area of being an electronics and telecommunication students where they can work?
that I will share the links are there. Okay, so I will share it with your coordinator for the other references. Otherwise, I will just run here. You communicate it by this mail ID, so I will share it definitely.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
I just share here. I just refer. I just the message box text them for my email ID. You just email me. I just giving all the details from all the references which can useful for your electronics department also, for your student also. Simultaneously, I will share my presentations to your coordinator, and they will be distributed. May be distributed from the all the things, and maybe that feature references you can use that, okay, simultaneously.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you for such a nice lecture. So, Akanksha, you there?
Thank you so much, sir. We would like to thank our expert, Karan sir, who honored this FDP and enlightening all of us with his expertise. Thank you so much, sir, for informative lecture. We learned various important aspects like working of IoT devices, fog computing, emerging trends in IoT, applications of IoT, edge computing, cloud computings, and many more. So thank you so much, sir. It was really very informative lecture. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for
Thank you,
attending.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you
you
very
very
much. Can I leave?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Our next session will start at 2 p.m. So everyone please join before the 15 minutes.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.